colors. They get it yellow. Yellow. White chocolate. That's a deep. That's deep. That's. Hey, that's mine. No, I put my egg in there. No, that's not. Oh no, it's cracked.
Show me your egg. Wow, matches your shirt.
Sorry, you look like an ogre.
I made those two eggs right there. So it looks like bread.
Why are you using your fingers, silly girl?
It's fun.
Use that.
Why? The what? You can make another green. First you put this in that and then that, and then it will be green. Yeah, it's got.
Fingerprints.
No, it's got. Oh yeah, it's fingerprints of green on it. It's like dots. I'll make it.